Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ridwan. So, again, um, our tutorial, this session's chapter 8, budgeting, part 2. Okay, questions 2.1. Okay, the information given to this question is suppose an organization had the following sales budget for the next years based on quarters, which means that is for years. So that's how the budget can be prepared by monthly, can be prepared by quarters, and also can be prepared by this yearly, either 4 or 5 years. But for these questions, they are preparing for next year budget based on quarters. So the first quarters unit for the sales budget is 4,000. Second quarter 5,000. Third quarter 7,000, and fourth quarter is 5,000. So there is different figure in terms of unit price. They expected that in the first quarter they can sell at this 10 ringgit until third quarters, maybe at the end and the last quarter they sell at 12 ringgit, and they can get the sales in terms of sales or the first quarter's unit time by the unit price. So the total is 40,000. Second quarter 50,000, third quarter 70,000, and fourth quarter 60,000, and the total sales is 220,000. So all sales are on credit with 40% receivable paying in the quarters of sales, and the remainder paying the quarters after the sales. So the question asks us to prepare the impact on the cash budget, the impact on statement of this profit and loss, and also the impact on statement of financial positions. Okay, let me solve this problem. So how to find the impact on the cash budget? So just to write first this one. No, the quarters, quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4, and the totals. So this is the total. Okay, so the receipt in quarters, because in order for you to prepare the cash budget, you need to know how much you receive money in the first quarters. So in the first quarter is how to find out your first quarter how much. And if you are referring to this question, the information given is that all sales are credit with 40% receivable paid in the quarter of sales, and the remainder paying in the quarter after the sales. So which means that in order for you to get the first quarters, so 40% of let me consider this is our first working. So 40% of the quarter ones, you mean you need to time with these 40,000. So you get 16. So this is the 16. Then you write here 16. Okay, and then the second years it goes to this the same, which is 40, these 50,000, and by 40% you get 20k, 20k, and then 70 you get 28K in the 4 quarters, 60, then you get 24K, 24,000. So the receipt for the next quarter, so the receipt for the receipt next quarters, the receipt next quarters is you don't receive at the first quarters, but end up on the second quarters, which is 40,000 times by for the next quarter is 16% again, 60% times by the 40,000, you get 24,000. So this one is 20. So you don't really have the on the first quarter because it's next quarter. So this one is become 0. You do not receive anything, but the second quarter you receive 24K. So it goes to the same with the next quarter. Get 30K, and in the fourth quarter you get 42K. So the balance for the fourth quarter goes to the first quarter for the next years. And then the total receipt of your cash budget is first quarter is 60K and 44K, 58, K, 60, 6K, and then your totals become 184,000. So this is your cash budget for each quarter and for that particular year. Okay, now we look into how, based on the information given, actually, what is the impact on statement of profit and loss. So based on the information given, we can say that we can say that the totals sales for the year would be taken from the sales budget. So which would be how much? 220,000. Okay, this one. So that is the impact on the statement of profit and loss. And then what is the impact on the statement of the financial positions? So the impact actually is the balance on the closing trade receivables would be the 60% receivables from quarter 4 would be which is how much the total in. You have to look into this. 16 says is about 16,000. So which means is ringgit Malaysia 60,000. We need to time this 0.6 equivalent to 36,000. So 30,000. So this will be impact on the statement of financial positions, your balance sheets. Okay, thank you. Okay, if you have any question, you can ask during face-to-face, or you can also ask. You can write on these, our forums in Kalam. And bye bye for now. Thank you.